So now we're going to go and create the antenna. This is step 8. We're going to draw a thin, vertically oriented light gray ellipses, and then using the direct selection tool, we're going to move it left and right, and so that it goes down. So it's going to look like this, and then look like this, almost like a candle. They don't have the exact color mentioned here, but I'm going to try to match it to the detail there. Let's see. Okay, so they do have it matched just down here. What colors it's going to be, because then we're going to place the antenna on top and behind the outer shape of our TV. And it's mentioning that the TV doesn't have a stroke color. We need to emphasize that the antenna behind is separated from the TV. Therefore, create a very thin horizontal oval and place it on the line intersection between the antenna and the body of the TV. So that's going to be the line happening there. So they're using a stroke just so you can see what's happening, but you don't actually use a stroke. Okay. So I'm just going to use the color that's already there. Get my ellipses. Use my direct selection tool, and then use my arrows. Make it go down. I want it even though with this, so that it doesn't look droopy. There we go. Oops. That's what happens if you use the direct selection tool on accident. There we go. Copy and paste. Right click, transform, reflect. Okay. I'm going to do right click, arrange, send it back. That's back behind. And then it's saying to use like a little line. Let's see. It's going to go here basically. And the color on that is going to be 216, 213, and 206. I'm using my laptop to make this, and so it's a little harder to get the two screens next to each other. Okay, see, so it just creates that dimension there. Perfect. And then, so now let's create the TV legs. It says to create a gray rectangle and then take the direct selection tool and two lower anchor points to the left. And they don't use a specific color for that. But if you use that gray color that matches that line up there, that's, if you notice, it's pretty much the same color there. So I'm going to take my direct selection tool and kind of go inward there. Range, send back. Copy paste. Transform, reflect, okay. And then arrange, send back. Cool. And they didn't send them the back, it looks like. Looks like maybe they kept them in the front, but I like mine being in the back, so that's how I'm going to have it. Okay. So that's how to create the end of our retro TV. The next step part is going to be the cabinet.